A story that's garnering a lot of attention, interest, questions is directly linked here to Georgia as we're following the latest developments as many of the passengers were finally evacuated off that cruise ship that's now docked in the Canary Islands. The World Health Organization continues to monitor the deadly hantavirus outbreak. The American passengers on that cruise ship are now back in the United States, 18 in total. We were following this very closely for you on the 11 live stream yesterday. 2 of those passengers brought to Georgia this time yesterday. They arrived at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, then in tandem with the Emory team, the CDC, and Grady Hospital, they were taken by ambulance to Emory. So they are being cared for here at Emory, one being treated, one has symptoms, one does not, so that other one is being monitored. But others are being cared for at Nebraska's hospital as well. NBC's Maggie Vespa brings us up to date.
Hey there, the global hantavirus case count rising overnight, according to the WHO, to now 11, with NBC News confirming the latest case coming out of Spain. The health ministry there saying the patient presented with what they describe as a low-grade fever, mild symptoms, that they're currently stable, and they add they have 13 other patients in isolation, all of whom are testing negative. Again, globally right now, 11 cases, 3 deaths so far. Now, stateside, we have 18 passengers isolating, 2 of them at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, one of whom is showing symptoms, but both are testing negative at this point. The remaining 16 are here at the University of Nebraska Medical Center, including one person who health officials describe as mildly positive. One of those who's testing negative here in Omaha spoke to Today from his quarantine room about what it was like on that ship.
It was definitely a wave of emotions as we retrieved information. It wasn't really until we arrived in the Canary Islands and I was able to get off this ship that I felt a bit of relief.
Now, health officials, we've also learned, are also monitoring possible exposures in close to a dozen states, including California, Texas, and New York. These are either in passengers who left the cruise earlier or people who came into contact with passengers while they were traveling home. Back to you.